All right, so let me walk you through this one. This is an existing fiberglass deck where the main scope of work was a recolor. The deck surface and the steps are fiberglass, so those are recoated as part of the process. But while doing the recolor, we addressed a few details that needed attention. There were some posts with movement, so those were tightened down and properly flashed, tying them back to the fiberglass surface so they're no longer weak points. The only area that was actually reglassed on this job was the roof tie-in. That transition is critical, so we sanded the section and made sure that it was ready for a reglass. Everything else remained intact. The goal here was to do a clean recolor, address the movement of the post, and make sure the roof transition was handled correctly. And that's it. Straightforward, handled the right way. You can see the guys here wetting the fiberglass mat onto the existing roof transition, and the after is just as satisfying. So that's it. Straightforward work, handled the right way.